Okay, so we're going to check our 2 trays here at the end. Drain down. It's been running for a while, so you can see in here in the end. Lots of chunks of galena here and there on the bigger stuff, but very little, so let's just clean out the bar a bit first. But you can see in here, we're going to check all this and just pan it off. If it's galena, it's going to roll out of my pan. Here we got a little more, and chances are on some, maybe not. But we can give most of this, we can give it the smack test. And that being real simple, you smack it, it goes to powder, it's galena. And the other way, if it stays flat, it's gold. So at that point, then you can get excited. We're looking mainly for dust because you've already processed this through a couple of different processes. And so what we're doing is we're cleaning down now that we have very little galena chunks that actually have to pan out into the pans. Okay, so that's 1 tray done. As you can see, spread that out a little bit in the pan. And you can see also a lot of the chunkier pieces right there, but that'll be easy to work out now because one, the Predator's done its job, the table's done the job on the first part, and most of the time with these, especially like the first and second tray, these 2 trays, I'll separate them and then I'll run them independently again over the table. Okay, so we'll put that up there. We'll just get a little more water to wash this piece out. And then again, what I'm mainly looking for is, okay, getting rid of the heavier galena because we know there's no gold chunks really should be in here. We're looking mainly now just for the finer gold. And separating it out of this lovely galena, which is always a pain for anybody. Okay, so the trays are washed out. And now, again in this one, when we spread it out, you can still see chunks, but it's getting less and less each time. After the Predator and then here. So now that we've got this concentrated down to itself here and here, we're going to run these 2 trays separately and do a clean out. So first we're going to run the second tray, then we'll run this first tray after that once we do one more clean out. Okay, so always make sure you got extra pans on hand because otherwise you're going to be multitasking trying to clean and do rapidly all over the place. Yep. Okay, so again, water on, get the table saturating, start to shake, get our water bled down. Now we're dealing with very small amounts. Okay, it should run all the way down to their ends, and let's just see where they head. In this phase of it, it will not take long at all. little tube. They do like to get stuck. Okay, shake off, water off. Only thing sitting in here is one little piece of glina, which we know is